Hello everyone. If you are preparing for NDA UGC NET Paper 1, then teaching aptitude is your first and one of the most important units. In today's video, we will break down the introduction to teaching aptitude in simple, clear terms with examples. So you can grab your notes and let's begin. Before that, you can try to do some of the question which I have given here. The answers which I have attached there in the ending of the video. You can check and correct your answers there. First question, which of the following is not a level of teaching? There are three different levels of teaching that we will cover in this video. You can find which of the following is not a level of teaching. Second one, the primary objective of teaching. What's a primary objective of teaching? Third question, heuristic method is also known as. There are different teaching methods. You can just find heuristic method is also called what? Fourth one, which of the following is learner-centric method? Learner-centric method. Fifth one, a formative evaluation is done when it can be done. A formative evaluation. Next one, the reflective level of teaching is what? What is reflective level of teaching? Seventh one, which teaching aid combines both audio and visual features? Audio and visual features. The term teaching aptitude refers to what? Teaching aptitude refers to what? A good teacher is one who then summative assessment is usually conducted. So the last question was about formative evaluation. This one is summative evaluation. CCE stands for, it's an abbreviated form. You can find the full form of CCC. The most important quality of a teacher. The most important quality of a teacher. Then 13th, which method is best for developing critical thinking? The best method for developing critical thinking. In teaching, feedback helps in. How feedback help you in teaching? The last question for you. Learning styles include all except which of the following is not a teaching or learning style? Yeah. So now we can get into our topic. What is teaching aptitude? Teaching aptitude is simply refers to the natural or developed ability to teach. It's natural, or if you don't have that skill of teaching, you can develop an ability to teach. It is a skill set that enables someone to teach effectively. This includes communication, explanation, evaluation, and motivation. So it is tested in NTA to ensure that the future teacher or the lecturer is equipped with not just knowledge but the right teaching mindset and abilities. Now we can discuss objectives of teaching. So here I have listed some of the objectives of teaching. The first one is knowledge transmission. We can transmit. We in the sense teachers can pass or transmit information, facts and knowledge to that of our students. Second one is understanding and application. What are the things they have learned from a classroom? The students learn from a classroom. They can try to apply that there in their real life. That is understanding. They can try to understand the concept and they can apply that there in their real life. Third one is skill development. Through teaching or from teaching, they can enhance their critical thinking, reasoning skills and practical skills. It's all about skill development. That's one of the most important objective of teaching. It's helping the students to develop their skills or enhance their critical and reasoning skills. Fourth one is character building. It will help the students to mold their personality, their character, values, ethics, their social responsibility as well. So that's why the objectives of teaching is very crucial there in the life of student, and teachers are playing an important role for them. Next one is levels of teaching. There are 3 different levels of teaching. The first one is memory level. So here you can see the features of memory level. Rote learning. We are by hearting the things what our teacher is saying. Recall based, suitable for beginners. So if our teacher is saying twinkle twinkle little star, we are not understanding the meaning of that. We are simply just repeating after teacher. A for apple. We are not trying to understand the meaning of that. When comes about there in understanding level, we are understanding what is A. A is an alphabet and apple is a fruit, and both are starting with the sound A. A. That sound we are understanding. There in reflective level, we are able to reflect, apply that application level. What are the things we are learning? We have the curiosity to make it practical in our life. That is reflective level. These are the 3 different levels of learning: memory level, understanding level, and reflective level. So the next one is characteristics of effective teaching. A teacher with strong teaching aptitude will show these qualities. First one is clarity in communication. Clarity in thoughts as well. Okay, whatever thing she wants to convey, let it be any subject, science, math, English, Hindi, any subject, the clarity should be there in the communication. She has to convey it with full of clarity. Then empathy and patience, good classroom management, encourages participation. This all will encourage participation of the students. And the timely feedback and motivation. Whatever they are doing, it can be good and it needs areas of improvement. You can highlight that properly. Give them feedback, correct constructive feedback, and motivate them to do further. So these are the main characteristic of effective teaching. So now you can just try to check your answers which I have given in the starting of the video. These are the answers. Which of the following is not a level of teaching? Now you know 3 levels of teaching: memory level, understanding level, reflective level. Second one, the primary objective of teaching is development of thinking and reasoning. Development of thinking and reasoning. Simple question, you will able to understand that. Next one, heuristic method is also known as discovery method. Different teaching method we haven't discussed in today's video, that I will upload soon. So there we will discuss different types of learning. Then next one, which of the following is a learner-centric method? Learner-centric, student-centric, that is project. Project is student-centric. A formative evaluation is done continuously throughout teaching. It's not the end of the curriculum or end of the academic year. It's a continuously throughout the process of learning. Next one, the reflective level of teaching is learner-centered. Learner-centric it is. Which teaching aid combines both audio and visual features? That is video. Here you can see video, audio and visual features both are combining. The term teaching aptitude refers to the ability to teach effectively. Teaching aptitude refers to the ability to teach effectively. A good teacher is one who motivates and guides learners. You can check the options here, okay. You will able to understand easily. The 10th one, summative assessment is usually conducted at the end of the course. Formative evaluation, summative assessment we haven't done, that I will upload there in the next video. CCE stands for continuous and comprehensive evaluation. Continuous and comprehensive evaluation. The most important quality of a teacher is having patience and empathy. Teachers should have patience and empathy. Which method is best for developing critical thinking? It's discussion. Discussion. In teaching, feedback helps in improvement in learning. Improvement in learning. The last question for you is that learning styles include all except literal, auditory, visual, kinesthetic.